If you're looking for a more efficient and healthy way to prepare meals for you and your family, you're probably considering a speed or a steam oven. A steam oven uses steam and can add in an electric convection system. A speed oven uses microwaves and can also add in an electric convection system. The main advantage of a steam oven is that it preserves your food's nutrients and texture. The main advantage of a speed oven is that it cooks food quicker than a conventional oven, but you do compromise the texture and flavor. Both can cook a large variety of foods, have a variety of different modes, manual and automatic, plus premium features. When cooking the salmon dish, I used steam only. However, I did have to stagger the items as I placed them into the oven for them to all be completed at the same time. The steam oven was set to a default temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and it took about 10 minutes for the oven to preheat. I first placed the sweet potatoes into the oven for 5 minutes, followed by the salmon for another 5 minutes, then the asparagus for 3 minutes. So the total cook time with preheating was 23 minutes. The salmon cooked beautifully. It retained full flavor and the proper texture. The sweet potatoes were full of flavor. They had a consistent texture all the way through and did retain all of their nutritive value. The one downside of preparing something like this using steam is that there was no textural component. It was the same texture all the way through. No crispiness was achieved at all in steam mode. The asparagus was the perfect color and texture. In my opinion, this is the best way to prepare asparagus. The overall cook time for the salmon, asparagus, and sweet potatoes in the steam oven on steam mode was 23 minutes. And this all finished at the same time. Each of those items had an ideal texture and really retained their natural flavor. For the convection steam oven test, I used a half roast chicken, potatoes, and green beans. I put all of these items into the oven at the same time, at the same temperature, and removed the items as they were complete. The convection steam oven was injecting 60% moisture into the oven along with convection heat. The convection steam oven was clearly able to help retain a lot of the natural moisture and juices in the protein as well as the vegetables. The chicken was extremely moist and juicy on the inside. However, the skin could have been a little bit crispier, which can be achieved if you use a different mode in the same oven, perhaps the broiler or the browning. The vegetables were the perfect consistency, a little crunch on the outside, and nice and soft and tender on the inside. There was a lot more flavor in the food that came out of the convection steam oven. For the salmon, asparagus, and sweet potatoes in the speed oven, I first tried the microwave-only mode and put everything in at the same time. I set the microwave to the highest power level, 7, and cooked everything simultaneously in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes on the microwave setting, the food predictably came out with a compromised texture. However, it was appetizing. The asparagus that came out of the speed oven was compromised in terms of color and texture and had a wilted look, especially when compared to the asparagus that came out of the steam oven, which was vibrant, colorful, and the perfect crunchy texture. The salmon, asparagus, and sweet potatoes that came out of the speed oven was actually a decent plate of food. The salmon looked and tasted good. The sweet potatoes did achieve some caramelization and had okay flavor. The asparagus did taste decent as well. So for a 5-minute dish, not too bad. I use the convection speed mode in our speed oven to cook a half chicken, roasted potatoes, and green beans. I use a combination of convection and microwaves. The oven required 6 minutes to preheat before these items were placed into the oven. The convection speed oven was operating at power level 3 and was set at 375 degrees on convection. This complete dish took around 49 minutes to finish cooking. The green beans cooked the fastest, followed by the potatoes, and then the chicken was pulled out last. Clearly, you can see how the vegetables were impacted by the lack of moisture in the speed oven. Although there was a bit more crunch on the potatoes that came out of the speed oven, there was definitely a compromise in the flavor. The microwaves completely obliterate the natural flavor and moisture in your food. The chicken took around 3 minutes longer to cook in the speed oven over the steam oven, which I found really surprising. And the skin was beautifully cooked in the chicken from the speed oven versus the chicken from the steam oven. The downside of cooking your things in the speed oven is the compromise in the texture and flavor and the loss of the natural moisture. And that you can clearly see in the vegetables here. Steam ovens are an ideal way to preserve the moisture and nutrients in your food. However, you will have to add in an extra step to achieve that browning that you would expect from a regular convection oven. On the other hand, speed ovens are a great way to quickly cook your food using microwaves and convection heat. However, you will compromise your texture and flavor slightly. It really all depends on what you want to cook and how you want to cook it. If you want to learn even more, click the link in the description for our free speed and steam oven buying guide.